Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Ableton Live 12 on your Windows laptop or PC step by step. Ableton Live is a powerful music production software that lets you create beats, record audio, arrange songs, and perform music live. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your computer. I'm using Google Chrome, but you can also use Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you prefer. Next, go to ableton.com. Once the website opens, click Try Live 12 for free in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the Ableton Live Trial download page. On the download page, open the operating system menu and select the Windows version. After selecting Windows, click the Download button. The Ableton Live installer will begin downloading as a zip file. Since the file is quite large, the download may take a few minutes depending on your internet connection. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and locate the Ableton Live zip file. Right-click the file and select Extract All. Choose where you want to extract the files, and then click Extract. Once the extraction is complete, open the extracted folder and double-click the Ableton Live 12 Trial Installer file. Windows may display a user account control message asking whether you want to allow the application to make changes to your device. Click Yes to continue. The Ableton Live setup wizard will now open. Follow the instructions displayed on the screen, accept the license agreement, and continue through the installation process. The installation may take a few minutes, so wait until it is completely finished. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the setup wizard. You can now open the Windows Start menu, search for Ableton Live, and click the application to launch it. The first time you open Ableton Live, you'll be asked to authorize the software. If you already own an Ableton Live license, sign in to your Ableton account and follow the instructions to activate it. If you don't have a license, select the option to start the free trial. This will allow you to use the full Ableton Live suite for 30 days. In my case, I already have a free trial license activated, so I can start using the application immediately, and that's it. Ableton Live is now successfully downloaded, installed, and ready to use on your Windows laptop or PC. You can now start creating beats, recording music, experimenting with instruments and loops, or simply exploring the Ableton Live interface. If this video helped you, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.